rectangular spacious living and dining area. Kitchen area with the open kitchen concept over here. Once you enter, you can check out the spacious room size with the bed space. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jaitil, and today we are here at SNN Raj High Gardens, which is located in Raghav Nagar, Chandapura, Bangalore, a project developed by SNN Raj Corp. And today we are here to check out their 3 BHK model flat. But before that, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the actual land parcel where I am currently standing, and about the marketing office is here in this tower on the ground floor itself. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. But you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now before moving to sample flat, let's discuss about this project. So this whole project is constructed in 9.5 acres of land parcel with 11 towers, with each tower of basement, ground plus 14 floors, and you'll be getting 1.5 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and exclusive 3 BHK premium residencies. Now about the amenities part. So this project has ultra luxurious amenities like of 20,000 square feet of clubhouse with 2 swimming pool, jogging track, cricket pitch, senior citizen sit out area. Additionally, this project has 90% of open space. Now coming to the location part, so this project is located near Hosur Road in Raghav Nagar, Chandapura, Bangalore. So let me tell you that this will be the internal road of the project, and this road will connect you towards Hosur main road. Now about the further connectivity of the project. So CricBiz Cricket Academy is 1.2 kilometers away from the project. The Oxford Medical College is 3.1 kilometers away, and Attibele Chandapur Road is 4.2 kilometers away from the project. Now without wasting any time, let's move towards your sample flat. So this is your 3 BHK of 1500 square feet super built up area. Let's have a look at this. So before you enter towards your spacious 3 BHK, let me show you the foyer area for your privacy. And now here comes the main entrance. And once you enter from your living area, you'll be getting rectangular spacious living and dining area. So this will be the part of your living area where they have set the sofa set in front of the TV unit space. And now here comes this part is for your dining area, which is easily accessible toward your kitchen. But before kitchen, let me show you the balcony. So here comes the spacious balcony area, the beautiful balcony with scenic view. Here you'll be getting the iron railing with anti-skid tiles. Additionally, this balcony will be 3-side covered. Now this is your kitchen area with the open kitchen concept over here. Once you enter your kitchen, you can check out the beautiful interior work done by the builder with the platforms, the cabinets. And in kitchen, you can check out that they have provided you with a window. So this is basically the utility area where they have provided with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Now let's move towards your bedroom space. So your master bedroom is on the other side of the house, but before that, let me show you the 2 bedrooms. So number 1 bedroom is over this side. Once you enter your bedroom number 1, you can check out the spacious room size with a bed space, and this side is the window for ventilation and lighting purpose in the room, and your wardrobe space over this side with the dressing area. Now let's move towards another bedroom. So exactly in front of this bedroom is your another bedroom. Once you enter again, you can check out the spacious room size with the bed space, the wardrobe space, and here the beautiful part, that is the bay window. Isn't it beautiful, right? Now you must have checked the wardrobe space as well. Before moving towards the master bedroom, let me tell you what all features Housey is here with. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with such sample flat videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme and EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tour. All this wonderful feature under one platform, that is www.housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Register quickly and schedule your free site visit. Now, let's move further, but before moving towards the master bedroom again, let me show you the common wash area. Exactly between two bedrooms with easy access, with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings over here. Now, exactly in front of that, in the opposite side of two bedrooms, here is the master bedroom. The uniqueness starts from the flooring itself. Once you enter, you can check out the spacious room size with the bed space, the window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Here is the wardrobe space. And about the washroom. So this bedroom is attached to washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So, as you all know, we are here at SNN Raj Corp's project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of this project, all is provided in the I button. And lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.